How to fix Minecraft unable to update the Minecraft native launcher. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So some people are having this problem because they have an older version of Minecraft launcher installed. So here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to go ahead and uninstall the old launcher. For that, go to the Windows search bar and type in add or remove programs and select it. Now from the list that appears, simply scroll down or search for Minecraft launcher, and if you see an older version of the launcher, you can click on it and then click on uninstall and click on uninstall again to confirm. After that, try using the new launcher and this will definitely solve your problem. Method 2 is you can reinstall the launcher from the Microsoft Store or the website. Simply go ahead and open the Microsoft Store on your computer. Go to the search bar in the top. Search for Minecraft launcher, select it, and then tap on Get, which is highlighted in blue color. You can also download the launcher directly from the official Minecraft website. And after this, restart your computer and this should definitely help you fix your problem. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.